Now, I haven't done a doppelganger for some time, but this is one for today, Wednesday 17/7/2024, between Gavea in Brazil and Rockhampton in Queensland. They're both in the southern hemisphere and their latitudes are roughly the same. That's 28 south, this one's 23 south. The fact that this is a horse race and a dog race doesn't matter a hoot because we're comparing the latitudes, so it can be snails versus dogs or goats versus cows. It doesn't matter at all. The difference between the time, that's minus 3 hours, this is 10 hours ahead, so the difference is down here, which is 7 hours. And it's a bit complicated because we've got 8:30 in the morning here compared to 18:55, so it's roughly 10 hours, so it's a bit difficult. So what I did is I got 7 hours and cut it in half and added the half to the 7 hours and got 10.5 hours difference. So that made a kind of midpoint, if you'll get my drift. But look at the numbers here. We've got 2 and 6 repeated, 6 and 2 there. In this one, 657, 576, etc., 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 etc. Now, for those to happen accidentally is damn near impossible. So that would make the statistician's monocle drop from his face. So there we are, a lovely doppelganger, perfectly arrayed. Despite the time problem, we've overcome that. Just to explain this time problem, if you've got one time here and one time here, there's nothing wrong with going over this and creating this as a central midpoint. So that's what I've done between these two things. I've created a central midpoint by going over the top and adding, 10.5 hours to make this pretendy midpoint there and causing this to be a central midpoint for Rockhampton in Queensland. So there we are.